like, I don't know if I'm supposed to do that.
Here might as well, won't hurt.
Boxing qualifying rounds.
Sam has 4 18s in this Suburban. This should be a pretty good run. He's in the heavyweight division.
Heavyweight class.
I ask if base boxing is all determined by square inches on subwoofers. Sam, are you ready? All right, start your stare. I'll start the meter. Good start. We're ready at a 153. 152.9, 153 and hanging. We'll see in about 15 seconds how much battery voltage Sam has.
15 seconds.
Starting to roll down through the 15-second halfway point. Still holding right at a 152.8. Good score for 418s.
Seconds.
Going up on 5 seconds left. Sam starting to lose a little bit, hanging at a 152.6. And final score 152.5 for a 30-second sealed average.
Official qualifying scores. Qualifying SPL Lane 2. Sam Boso. Heavyweight. 152.5 dB.